I spoke to all the representatives of the regions about the opportunities that are in the regions, the focus that they have, and of course the challenges that they're facing. And I think if you were there, you saw that the challenges actually cut across, right? It's about funding, it's about facilities, it's about equipment, and of course about doping. I have been informed and have evidence now that we will not be allowing any athletes that would have tested positive here at home to proceed to any international events. And so that's, I think, a warning to athletes not to engage in this vice because we'll stop them right here at home. As you know, we have ADAC here, and we already have a laboratory which we hope will be enhanced in the coming years, but we're already able to detect, right, doping right here at home. So we'll stop them from going abroad, we'll stop them from shaming our country. So that was the priority issue that we discussed. The other issue we discussed was, of course, the facilities and the infrastructure, which we have embarked on addressing. So we've had discussions and continue having them on where the priorities lie and what we should do. We've agreed that Nyayo has to be the first one that will be completed, so that at least we have two good stadia operating here in Nairobi.